Hello everybody. We've taken a day off today, so we didn't go out for our outing, morning's outing. Just taking it a bit easier. We've done a lot over the last couple of days. There's nothing wrong with staying at home for the day. And check out the fluff. See, snow. It's been snowing. Look at it all. It has, Wolfie. It's been snowing. Lots of lovely, white, soft, fluffy snow. It's everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Hey Wolfie. He says, yep, this is my spot in the shade. Until this is somebody's spot. There's more here in this little spot here. Hey big boy. Says it is. I get to munch on grass in this spot. It's lovely and cool, so I get to flop. I get to try and dig holes in my spot. And that's her spot down there, checking out the tree. The little skinks live in that tree. She has to check them out. What are you guys doing? She's on the hunt. More digging. And he just had a bath. He says, yeah, but you gotta be dirty. You can't be lovely and clean all the time. So there's lovely cool ground and lovely cool grass. Because it got down to pretty cold last night. We're getting cooler overnight. Still warm during the day. So when we got up this morning, I don't know what it was last night, but when we got up it was about 8 degrees. And it said it was bang on 50 Fahrenheit this morning. And that was about 7 o'clock that we probably checked. 7:30, around there. So of course it would have got a bit cooler over the night. You get the grass on you. She says, yeah, I don't care. What are you sniffing? Oh, doggy next door's. Yes, doggy next door's is out. Yes. Oh, hello, sweetie. So a snaz. Did I see a snaz? No snaz? There's a snaz. Hello, there's a snaz. There's a snaz underneath the fence. Hello, sweetie. Hello, sweetie. Is there somebody there? Hello, sweetie. Hello, Snaz. Hello, Snaz. Hello, Snaz. Oh, they're good enough to play.